Here we have a 67 plate BMW 530e M Sport, and this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We have the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, 2 gloss black front kiddie grills. We have the full M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip as well. We have the eDrive badging on the side, front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the dual exit exhaust at the rear, along with the rear diffuser. And back around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a quick look at the interior, so coming into the back first, you find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre. We have the fixed ISO points as well, the blue stitching. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors, along with the premium Harman Kardon sound system as well. In the front, again, the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are electrically adjustable, and they are also both heated as well. There is a look at the premium Harman Kardon. Electric windows and electric mirrors. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers as well. We also have the ambient lighting, which you may be able to just about see. We have a multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control just there. Digital dashboard up top, along with the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valid, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2017 67 plate BMW 530 M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the side. We have a multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if we stay in the car into manual mode, and on the left hand side you have a cruise control and speed limiter. We have your digital dash, which changes when you go through all the different drive modes. So when you put it into sport, it's a lot different to what it looks like when you put it in your eco and your comfort modes. Now being the hybrid vehicle, you do get, when you let off the brake, it then starts to charge as the regenerative braking. You have a little gauge on the right hand side which tells you how much electric you have, and when you put your foot down it goes into e-boost, which is after the top of the rev range, and then goes into e-boost just to give you a little bit more extra power. We have your screen in the centre where you can see SATA navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, and also front and rear parking sensors. Both front seats are heated, and you have your dual zone climate control just down there, a ice cold aircon, and very nice warm heat. We have your electrically adjustable seat throughout this vehicle, integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. You have the extended 5 Sport if you wish to use that as well on both front seats. Now I can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. So right now, coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform a major stop, push straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So just waiting for a little bit of traffic to pass, and then I'll be able to pull in. Now I'm going to do a countdown from 3 when I do the emergency stop. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.